Today we're in Provident Place, Bridgwater, to show you this cracking 2-bedroom Victorian property. We just had some refurbishment work done at the property, including a new kitchen, there's new carpets, new paint, ready for people to move in and feel at home from day dot. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. I hope you've enjoyed the virtual tour of this property. I would show you a bit more of the garden. Unfortunately, it's just started raining. Glad there's this pergola space to keep you dry. If you're interested in booking a viewing, or if indeed you'd like a valuation of your property, please do get in touch.